We're in Taipa. This is kind of like a food street. It's kind of one of the main streets in Macau to go down for tourism, and it's called Cunha, but it's also known as Food Street. So we're gonna walk down that street and just kind of show you what all the food choices are in the restaurants and the lines, because there'll be a lot of those. And before we even begin, we're gonna just kind of show you that we're in Taipa Regador. That's Galaxy Casino straight that way. You can see it at the end. And this is kind of typical Macau stuff right here. Those potted plants, those struggled during the typhoon, and I've been here for 10 years and I saw some typhoons that really gave some bad destruction to that. So anyways, we're gonna go down this street right here, which is Cunha Street. Down that way with all the crowds. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're gonna head down Cunha Street. Before we go down, there's Cozinha Pinocchio. I don't know how to say that in Portuguese. Pinocchio. A little different. In English we just say Pinocchio, but that's Pinocchio Kitchen. And that's the entrance into Cunha. So if you ask a taxi to drop you off in Cunha, they'll all know this street. It's probably the most popular street in Taipa for tourists. And we're just gonna walk down it and show you whatever we see. And this street's gonna be busy with people. So now, there we go. Let's go down this one. Tons of people everywhere. Tons of restaurants. So it's very tourist oriented. So you can buy these as gifts here and bring those home with you. These are in also Sao Paulo ruins and Cunha as well. Those are like beef jerky that you can buy. Egg tarts over there, those are popular. You can see different languages right there, Korean and Japanese. So yeah, just kind of talking about the desserts and the breads. I guess that's actually the same. So that's all that kind of beef jerky as well. So a lot of people will buy that and bring it home as gifts, or they'll eat it, of course. So yeah, it's August. It's pretty busy these days around here, everywhere, as you can see. Turkish ice cream. So there used to be Turkish ice cream with Turkish people. But that looks like a Muslim minority Chinese person. That's kind of the beef opal. Then this one is popular as well. Let's kind of come over a little bit. Film. So that Sing Chong is that came out during COVID, so maybe 2-3 years ago, and it was brand new when it came out. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm very good. Okay, so we got some more places here. So yeah, you can see a lot of pasteleria, which will have more of the meat ones, and it's over on that side as well. And then right here is Los Santos Comida Portuguesa. So So that one will have, that one's really famous for international tourism. So even the Rolling Stones went there when they were in concert here. It shows that Portuguese one. This is more pork chop buns, and you also got the beef opal, the intestines as well. Let me see. And now we're going to get the long lines right here as well. So this long line is for Lord Stowe's, which is a famous chain of egg tarts. Kind of Portuguese, basic Portuguese, kind of Macanese. This one looks kind of new. Okay, so let's turn around and take a look at this line. So they got a line, I guess this line is actually for this one, and the Lord Stowe's is actually closed. So Lord Stowe's is a bakery, but that's actually not open right now. Let's come over here. This one is beef opal. A lot of beef opal, beef intestines here. There's a lady here that recognizes me, but I don't see her right now. But she'll usually say hello if she sees me. She'll say, I know your channel and I watch it. And I think I did a video on her shop once too. Big long line there. And go up this way. Little plaza right here. Shops. And that was basically Cunha guy. And you got this big long line right here too. So that long line is for Lao beef opal. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. We're gonna keep on going straight, and then we're gonna end it soon. So this was Cunha Guy Street. It's getting a little bit dark to film. So let me just see if I can sneak across real quick. So this will go right up into a whole other area right here. Let's see. You see this park right here is a dragon shape right there as well. If we went up that street, it'd be to a factory museum. A lot of times in this one I'll go up. Usually when I do Cunha, I'll either go up or down this stairwell and film, but I think I'm going to not do that. I'm going to end it in a few minutes, of course, but I'll just give you context to this particular street, because this is also kind of bleeds into the same street. So that's the street we're on. All the people over there. And then over here you'll still get all the people as well. So hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.